Explanation of settings. After you've logged in, click the cog in the lower right corner. If you want to stay up to date on our future plans, our social media channels are at the top of the list. The Account Settings section allows you to quickly and easily perform account-related operations, such as changing your profile and resetting your password. We also have a night mode. If you don't want to strain your eyes, we recommend switch on. From this section, you can also select Change the app language. If you made an in-app payment, you can view your transactions in the My Payments section. You can log out of your account from this section at any time. This section contains in-app terms and conditions and privacy policy. If you have a question and are unsure how to answer it, please click the How to Guide section. If you like our app, feel free to share. If you have a problem with your account, please contact us immediately via the support section. Please share your thoughts, ideas, and suggestions about the application with us.